Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So very slow once the New York session kicked in, even with the non-farm payroll. Definitely a very slow day. Tomorrow is a big holiday. It's Independence Day in America. The Forex market will be open normal hours, so it will definitely be open tomorrow, but definitely expect very low volume. I personally highly suggest not trading until Monday, but that's just me. So, anyways, I mean, the market definitely looks like it potentially is in a pullback, but we need to keep in mind that daily, weekly, and monthly time frames are all definitely in an uptrend. So I since we kind of expect to see a slow market, I think it is likely maybe it will kind of drift up a little bit, but I think overall it should go down to a much lower fib level, like one of these much deeper fibs. So over the next few days, I would expect to see a very overlapping, very corrective, probably slow walk down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels, and then maybe we'll get another continuation up, or the daily time frame will prove to us that it really is going down and we can just start looking for shorts on a longer term basis. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.